Good morning, stakeholders. It's Waterman.
Traffic changes on Flinders Street. Works at the Federation Square site throughout 2025 will include removal of the acoustic worksite shed, construction of the station entrance and reinstatement of community space. These works require a closure of Flinders Street westbound between Swanston Street and Degraves Lane until the end of 2025. The following arrangements are going to be in place from the 6th of February 2025 until the end of 2025. Flinders Street westbound between Russell Street and Swanston Streets will be reduced to one lane only for left-hand turns onto St Kilda Road only. Flinders Street westbound will be closed between Swanston Street and Degraves Street.
We apologise for any inconvenience caused.
Just a reminder, this train terminates at Box Hill. There's replacement buses between Box Hill and Camberwell.
Road users wishing to continue westbound beyond Swanston Street will need to detour at or before Russell Street and use other routes such as Collins Street to continue their journey.
So, Waterman, I'm a public transport infrastructure consultant.
There will be no long-term changes to how pedestrians move around these areas. Trams running in both directions along Flinders Street are not affected by these changes. Parking on Flinders Street westbound will be unaffected.
There's replacement buses between Box Hill and Camberwell.
Further information about Flinders Street eastbound between Elizabeth and Swanston Streets. The current eastbound traffic arrangements will remain in place until April 2025 to complete works on the station entrance at the Flinders Quarter site. Flinders Street eastbound will be open up to Degraves Street with the ability to complete U-turn back down Flinders Street westbound as per current arrangements. Vehicles and cyclists travelling northbound up St Kilda Road will continue to be able to turn right from Swanston Street into Flinders Street and travel eastbound along Flinders Street towards Richmond. Victoria's Big Build says that it appreciates your patience while they undertake these works. Other works are also taking place around Town Hall Station construction sites. A detour map noting all the changes until the end of 2025 is available on the bigbuild.vic.gov.au website under Metro Tunnel, and the page is Traffic Changes on Flinders Street. Victoria's Big Build Authority has released a work notice for Melbourne's new Metro Tunnel, published on the 16th of January 2024. You can also download as a PDF file the Town Hall Flinders Street westbound traffic changes, January 2025.
Good morning, passengers. Just a reminder, this train terminates at Box Hill.
Stakeholders, it's Waterman, and there you have it. That's the 7 Melbourne's new Metro Tunnel, arriving 2025, 5 new stations: Arden,
Station, Parkville Station, State Library Station, Town Hall Station and Anzac Station. The Metro Tunnel will give direct train access to new destinations. For the first time, you'll be able to catch a train directly to the Shrine of Remembrance, Albert Park, Parkville Hospitals and the University of Melbourne. More trains, more often.
We apologise for any inconvenience caused.
We'll be undertaking a short tour of this site, the proposed CBD South Station, for the new Melbourne Metro Underground Rail project. So if you'll come with me, we'll start right now. We'll be undertaking a short tour of this site, the site of the future Parkville Station under the Melbourne Metro Underground Rail project. We'll be taking a short tour of the site, so if you come with me, we'll start right away. Waterman here. Waterman here. I'm a public transport infrastructure consultant. Waterman here. I'm a public transport infrastructure consultant. It's my pleasure to welcome you here tonight. So if you'll come with me, we'll start right now. We'll be undertaking a short tour of this site, the site of the new Parkville Station. If you'll come with me, we'll start right away.
Passengers, please finish boarding. The train is ready to depart. This train is now...
That concludes our tour for today. Concludes our tour for today. This ends our tour for today. That ends our tour for today. That concludes our tour for today. We hope you enjoyed this insight into the state government's preparations for how your investment money is being spent. My name is Waterman. If you need any further information or questions answered, you can contact me via the Victorian Department of Transport or STM Asia Pacific Construction.
Replacement buses between Box Hill and Camberwell. Anyone wishing to take replacement buses, please head upstairs and find safety staff for warning.
We apologise for any inconvenience caused.
Back to business.